this application for. Today I am going to present my family tree, starting from my mother. Father named Yani has passed away. My mother's grandmother named Mariam has passed away. My father's grandfather named Germany has passed away, and my grandmother named Hagia. Children of maternal grandmother, 1 Harry, 2 Eros, 3 Misa, and 4 Juni. Children of father's grandmother, 1 Ian, 2 Siman, 3 Safarudin, 4 Rina, and 5 Asmatalil. And Ian is my father birthday August 17, 1981. My mother's Eros birthday June 10, 1987. And me birthday June 6, 2006. My sister birthday February 3, 2011. And now he is in second grade of junior high school. And younger sister birthday August 24, 2017. Now he is in first grade of elementary school. That's all my presentation about my family tree. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon.